Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the video. So as you can see here, we got all the boys lined up. Tonight we are going to be going to Bradenton Motorsports for the Thursday night test and tune. So tonight we're going to get some rollers of the Evo on the track, see what it can do, put down. So that'll be exciting to find out. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we don't break anything, none of us. You guys want popcorn or Evo X?
I was like, you can barely squat on
385.
Oh!
What's up, dude? What's up, dude?
What's up? Welcome to Wawa Cribs. This is my Focus ST. 85 big turbo, big wastegate.
What do we got going on here?
Hey, look, man, 718 in the cut, off in the beep.
Check out the shoes.
Come on.
The highlighter.
Oh! She's alive. Oh shit, dude, we gotta get these kids.
Dirty. Hey, dirty.
That's a fucking coating right there, goddamn. Alright, looks like we're heading out. Quick pit stop, of course, we gotta go get E, because this is one thirsty son of a gun. Anyways, we're trying to figure out our route to get to the drag strip because it is that prime time for traffic. On the way here was absolutely terrible. So, anyways, yeah. All right, we have finally made it. So we got our number for the night, number 73. We're gonna be running, I don't know, we're gonna take it easy. We'll see how many runs we can get. But the first run, I am going to just let the car get to know the track, figure out how hard it pulls, if it's pulling to the left or the right, and we'll figure it out. And then we'll start with launch control and figure out the sweet spot. Well, you gonna make a good run tonight?
I don't know. Let's see what the stock bet runs. I don't know.
So, what are you actually like expecting tonight out of this?
If I get anything under 13.5, solid.
All right. All right. Are you gonna launch her hard off the rip, or are you gonna?
Of course. Come on. 2,000. Just let her eat. If I break my rear end, I break my rear end. I walk home.
Well,
You see these bad boys? I came to walk.
you came to walk. Heck yeah. There's some pretty cool cars here tonight.
Get everything taken care of. He's back out.
It's in the trailer. I just didn't put it on. Just in case I have to touch the operator, turn it up.
This thing is so sick. Never mind.
That's the one I was talking about. That's like that 40.
.98, 145. Sorry, the clips are a little shaky. Hands frozen. It's cold, so and it's loud. Well, it's that time. We're about to run, so yeah, wish me luck.
All right, guys, you wanted to see it. Evo at the track. Got a 12.7 out of the Evo.
That's better than he's.
That's what's up.
Well, you guys saw it. Evo ran at 12.7, so not terrible. I think we can do better, but it really depends on how well I can get it off the launch. So that's going to be our goal for the rest of the night, is to see how well we can get it to launch and then go from there. So that will improve our time. So we did a 12.7 at a 107. So I'm gonna go grab the slip and I'll show you. Anyways, here we have it. So 12.7 at a 107. So there's our numbers. I went easy on the launch. It's my first time running this car on this track, which, if you know anything about Bradenton, you know that is a very well prepped track. So without wanting to break anything, we went ahead and tested it out, and I think I'm ready to start launching a little bit harder, and we'll go from there. So anyways, I was shocked, to be completely honest. I thought we were going to run like a 13 or a 14. I think 13 at most. Like, I wasn't expecting anything like that, but 12.7, definitely proud of that.
Nice. That's 12.4 at 106 or 108.
All right, so update. 1.6 60 foot, 12.4 at a 108, and I missed shift third. So not too bad, but we can do better. Here was our second run. So we did significantly better, although I accidentally missed shifted third. I got a third gear lockout, so I got locked out. But yeah, we improved. We went from a 12.7 to a 12.4, and then we also went from a 107 to a 108. So not bad, but my top speed would have probably been better. My quarter mile time would have probably been better if I didn't get locked out. I think that shaved off a good amount of time. I feel like we could have dipped way closer to the 11 or at least a 12.0. So we're gonna go ahead and give it another run and see how well that will go. We're doing good, so I'm excited and we'll see. Anyway, okay, so I just had my third run of the night. I ran a 12.9, so I'm not completely too happy with that. Check that shit So yeah, I ran a 12.9 at 108. Still, I trapped good, but I'm a little disappointed with that. I had really bad wheel hop. I have GoPro footage. He ran a 20.34. Not bad, I guess. Anyways, no, man, like I said, I'm disappointed. I mean, I did run a 12.4 tonight at 108. So I had a good launch. I had a good 60 foot. The thing is though, even with the wheel hop on my last run there, I still ran, I had a 1.9 60 foot. I had a really good reaction time. Now I know it doesn't really matter, but it was a 5.55. So I don't know. I just wish that I had a better run. We were really hoping to shoot for 12.2, and I still could keep running, but I'm gonna call it quits here. So yeah, like I said, we're just gonna cut it like here. You know, let the Evo take a break. I don't want to keep running it. I had 3 runs. The first one was a 12.7. I was really happy with that. Then I had a 12.4. Once again, I was ecstatic about that. And I even had a 3rd gear lockout. So I know we can do better. I really want to run a car like one of those Mustangs that run a 13, just so that way I can say I beat it. But I got beat by a Mustang. He ran an 11, like low 11s. So that's who I went up against. Not like it was like I thought he was gonna win or nothing. It just, that was who was in the lane with me. But yep, we got the time, and that was it. And I said that was gonna be my last run for the night. So that's where we're at. There we have it. So I just got back home. That's why I'm being quiet. Everybody else is asleep in the house. I ended up running another pass, and everything that could go wrong on that pass did. We did a 13.2 was our overall time. I had bad wheel hop, and then after I got out of the wheel hop, because I let off and I got back on it, the car started spinning because the prep was wearing down on the track. So then we started spinning, and then I also got the 3rd gear lockout again. So that was 2 runs in a row. So my first and second runs were absolutely great. I will say that like the car shocked me. The 13.2 was what I was expecting to run, but right out of the box, I mean, we hit a 12.7, and then I hit the 12.4, and I know that car can go faster. I know we can get it faster, so I guess it's gonna take some more seat time and really getting to know the car on the track, and we'll be golden. So I think next we're gonna be shooting for a 12.2, but I'll keep you guys updated on that. If you like this video, yeah, this one, if you thought this was kind of interesting, if you're proud of the little Evo putting in work, the stock block, stock turbo Evo, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. You know how we do it around here. Anyways, we'll catch you guys next time. See ya.